Yeah, such a wonderful expo here. And my company has innovated a new technology to benefit in Indian industries people, particularly for boiler manufacturer. We have launched this tube to tube sheet welding machine, and then header to stub welding machine, as well as the header to stub SAW machines, and so many other automations also we are explained in the expo. Machine is called tube to tube sheet welding machine, launched in India and made in India, made by us only.
This is your first time attending the Boiler India Expo, or have you been here before?
No, actually, madam, this is the third time I am participating in Boiler India Expo. Still, even next upcoming period also, I am going to participate.
Expo each time. What benefit do you see from attending the Boiler India Expo?
In this exhibition, I have seen lot of new product they are launched, various new customers, reaching that our country requirement on all the things, and see that exhibition shows all the players or exhibitors are showing lot of innovative products.